data frame. So now what we are going to see, I need to first retrieve the whole row of entry I'm just searching with this dot locate function. Okay, so with this dot locate function, I've given an entry name Avery Bradley, and I will get the whole entry of that row which is having every Bradley in it. So let's run this. So here it is. I'm getting kind of whole information of that entry where the name is every Bradley. Similarly, where the name is RJ Hunter, I'm getting this thing. So you can load the CSV file. Just you need to ignore this thing and it will be completely loaded into your data frame. So now, if you need some URL or a website portal and you need to explore or extract that CSV file, you just need to write this and it will also work. So we are just using this top.head function. The reason is it will just display the first 5 entries. So this is how it works, is basically you can see it's like validating that my code is running in a proper manner. Instead of displaying the whole data frame, we just display a pinch of it to get acknowledged about, yes, this entry is been, or we have loaded the data frame completely.